Welcome back to the Mexican Food Channel. In today's video, we're making my mom's menudo. Let's get started. We're gonna need 6 pounds of carne para menudo. When you go to the meat market, there's gonna be several types. Some come with fat like this one. A little bit of fat is good for taste, but not too much. So we're gonna take off most of it. Some people leave it, but this is how we make it.
Para que no salga todo esto lo gordo.
Okay.
Se tiene que limpiar todo esto. Muy grasoso.
Sí.
Mira, todo. Mira, esto se le quita. Porque si no, queda muy gordo.
Okay.
Mira. Pero tampoco no creas que quede poquito para que esté grasosito, ¿verdad? Pero también mira. Mira como este no tiene, mira.
This one already comes without any fat, so just go ahead and add it in there. While my mom does that, I'm gonna peel 12 garlic cloves and we're gonna set them aside. We're gonna use these later. And 12. One of the most important parts is washing this correctly, so go ahead and do it thoroughly. Mira, sí se van a mirar, pero bien limpiecitos, ¿eh? You see all this fat? That's a no bueno. We're gonna give it a last quick wash, and then we're gonna start cutting it. Try cutting these into bite sizes, just so that they can fit into the spoon. While my mom does that, I'm gonna get our chile guajillos ready. Get 20 chile guajillos and take out the stem and the seeds. Alright, come on, do it with me. Alright, this is how we want all 20 of them. Alright, my mom has the menudo ready for the next step. We're gonna add 1 cup of vinegar into the carne of the menudo. When cooking the menudo, it gives off a distinct odor. This helps eliminate that. Go ahead and top it off with water. Let it sit in there while we get the rest of the stuff ready. We're also gonna add una pata de res. When you're at the meat market, ask them if they can cut it for you because it's for menudo. Don't forget to say por favor. After you wash them, we're gonna add them into the menudo with the vinegar. Give it a nice little mix. After about 30 minutes, they're ready to start cooking. Drain them out and pour them into your pot. Go ahead and fill it up with water. Up next, we're gonna cut up an onion like this and throw it in there. So guys, have you subscribed to our channel yet? If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. Please and thank you. Alright, cut a little eggs on it and throw it inside. Up next, add 3 whole garlics. Add 6 bay leaves. And we're gonna add a whole bunch of epazote. Try to tie it up because we're gonna take it out later. Add some salt. We're gonna take this to cook for about 4 hours until it's very tender. We're gonna put this in medium heat. Go ahead and put the top on it. And a few hours later, ooh, it changed colors. It really absorbed the taste of the epazote. Go ahead and take it out. We're also gonna take out the onion. Oh yeah, and take out the 3 whole garlics too. This already looks good, but wait until we add the chiles. Now that the chiles are ready, we're gonna cover them with the stock of the menudo. Make sure the chiles are completely covered, and be careful because it's hot. Push them down like this to help the chiles soften up. Ooh, the water's already turning colors. Add some chile árbol, but be careful, these are spicy. I only added 8. Soak them in there. We're also going to add the 12 garlic cloves that we peeled earlier. Once everything is nice and soft, we're going to put them to blend. Stick everything in the blender, including the broth. Add a pinch of cumin. And let's take it a blend. Go ahead and take 2 cups of the broth and set it aside. After it's ready, run it through a colander. Squeeze all the juices out. Go ahead and get the 2 cups of broth that we saved earlier and add it into the blender. We are not letting any of these peppers go to waste. Put on the lid and shake it up. After you drain all the juices, go ahead and throw this out. Yum! Now would you look at that? You can add a can of these if you like, but we're making the classic, so we're not gonna add it. It does taste good with it though, but this is more for pozole. My mom is super resourceful. She knows how to take all the juices off the chile. Look at all that juice I left in there. My mom's a pro. Go ahead and add it in there. Up next, we're gonna add some oregano. This is to your liking. Give it a mix. Try it out to see if it needs a little salt. Yeah, it needs a little salt. Remember not to over-season. You can always add salt later. Alright, the menudo is pretty much ready. Now let's prepare our toppings. Go ahead and dice up an onion. While my mom does that, I'm gonna cut up the cilantro. Can you believe my mom grew this cilantro? Look at the little pretty flowers on it. It smells super fresh. Alright, this turned into a cutting competition. Come on, Mom, bring it on. I'm just playing. She always wins. Add it into your container and let's get it ready to serve up. This looks so good. We're gonna add some onion, some cilantro. This is gonna taste so good with the fresh tortillas that we just made. If you want to learn how to make them, check out our tortilla video. We're gonna add a little bit of oregano to this, just a tiny pinch. Go ahead and cut up your lemons and squeeze them in there. It's taste test time.
Cabbage here.
This is how my mom likes to eat it. You put a spoonful into the tortilla and in it goes.
Ay, faltó la salsa.
And you heard it here first, ladies and gentlemen. Faltó la salsa.
Well, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you next week. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you on the next one. Love ya.